In this video, I'm going to show you how to create ultra-realistic AI influencers completely for free using Google Veo 3.1. Now, the first thing you want to do is come over to Google Flow and click on New Project. You then want to come over to Pinterest and find an image of someone you want your AI influencer to look similar to. Scroll down until you find an image of someone that you want your AI influencer to look similar to and then save the photo. Now come back over to Google Flow, upload that image here, click on Add to Prompt and then paste in this exact prompt. And I'll add the link to this exact prompt in the description, so all you have to do is just copy and paste it. Now, as of right now, Google Flow gives you 53 credits every single day on a brand new account. And no, you don't need to pay for anything. They just give you 53 credits every single day, which is more than enough to generate images and videos of your influencer every single day. So once you've pasted that in, press enter, and now Google Flow is going to give you a brand new prompt based on the reference image that we just gave it. Copy the new prompt and then paste it back into Google Flow, but type the words generate this before pressing enter. Make sure that you add the reference image that you got from Pinterest so that it comes out even more accurate. Once you've got the image back, save it and then come back over to Pinterest and find an image of where you want your AI influencer to be during the video. For example, let's say you wanted her to be walking in a luxury hotel lobby. Type luxury hotel lobby here, find an image that you like, and remember, it doesn't need to be perfect as we're just using it as a reference to create our own. Save the image and then go over to the scene creation prompt that I've linked in the description and fill in the blanks so that you can input what you want your influencer to say, do, and wear during the video. Now bear in mind, you can only generate up to 8-second videos with Veo 3.1, so whatever you want your influencer to say or do during the video, make sure that it doesn't go over 8 seconds. And a quick way to check this is by going to wordscounter.net, type out what you want your AI influencer to say, and if you look here on the right, you can see speaking time. Once that speaking time goes over 8 seconds, that means you've reached the max amount of words that you can use during your video. So once you've filled in the scene creation prompt, paste it in here along with the image that you just saved from Pinterest. What Google Flow is going to do is give you a brand new prompt that we can now then go and use to actually generate our video. Copy the new prompt, click on create new project and then paste it in here. Upload the image of your influencer that you generated earlier. Click on settings and change your aspect ratio to 9:16. Click on 1x and then change the generator to Veo 3.1 fast. Click on save and now click on generate, and now Veo 3.1 will actually start creating our video. And once that's done, we can see the final product.
I'm about to go and check into the hotel and I'm just super excited for this trip, but I'll check in with you guys later.
Now, of course, this isn't perfect, but if you want to be able to generate images and videos of AI influencers completely for free without having to sign up for any subscriptions, then this is the best way to do it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.